What's up, everyone? 这些名牌你是不是经常发错音了？ Famous brands, name brands, we often steal them from each other's languages, and the pronunciation can get a little tricky. Ask an American to pronounce famous Chinese brands like Huawei, Xiaomi, or higher, and you'll get something like this.
Huawei,
Huawei,
Huawei.
I would say Huawei, yes.
It's like Xiaomi, it's Xiaomi, it's Xiaomi.
Hair. Say that again. Hair.
So today we're going to look at some famous international brands, including some American brands, and learn how to pronounce them correctly. Let's start with some popular internet brands. Skype, the correct pronunciation is Skype. Skype 一个音节后面没有 e 的声音，跟下一个名牌一样。YouTube, it's just YouTube. Amazon. How about your favorite shoe brands? Nike. Actually, in America, we pronounce it Nike. But in the UK, they say Nike. But since it's an American brand, sorry British friends, you're wrong. The correct pronunciation is Nike. Adidas. The correct pronunciation for this German brand is actually Adidas. However, in the US, we always say Adidas. 这个单词就是我们美国人发错的。必胜客 Pizza Hut， 我经常听到这个发音错误，不是 pizza。肯德基其实 KFC 的长名就是 Kentucky Fried Chicken KFC， 但是你说 KFC 也行。麦当劳 McDonald's， 迪士尼 Disney， 中间有一个 Z 的声音 Disney. How about some big stores such as 家乐福? So in English we say Carrefour, but the actual pronunciation is French, so it's probably something I can't pronounce.
Carrefour.
宜家 IKEA, 一共有3个音节 IKEA. Let's try some fashion brands. Supreme, Burberry, Hermes, 是不是 Hermes? Hermes, Dior, Louis Vuitton,
L'Oréal.
Okay, again, this one might be different in French, but in American English we say L'Oreal. Cartier, Americans would probably say Cartier, but the real pronunciation again is the French Cartier. UGG? Nope. Ugg. Gussie. Gucci. Alright guys and girls, that's all for today. If you like this video, please leave me a message below and let me know which brands I forgot. And if you like this video, maybe I can make another one based on your brand suggestions. Keep studying hard, 我是麦克老师，下次再见。